Hi friends, welcome to the Hyderabadi Aucklander. This is Tarun.
Hi, this is Harika. Hope you all are doing good.
Ivala, we've come to Motat, which is the museum for transport and
Telecommunication
something of that
in
sort.
Auckland, yeah. So
It's
it's
got
something
a
related to science, which is really important.
not
So,
only science, it also has transport,
yeah,
evolution of transport, different vehicles used for different things
correct.
in earlier time, and stuff like that. Right? We hope you guys enjoy this video.
Yeah. So we thought it's really important because every time we are just showing the normal things. So we thought we should also explore the other side. So it's which is important to learn and all.
And
So
also, this would give everybody a sneak peek of what our history was like
yeah, true.
as mankind evolved.
So yeah, enjoy the video.
So this is a sports car that was developed by Kiwis, and this is a wholly developed car in New Zealand. Not sure what this is, but yeah. And this is by the famous. This was driven by the famous Bruce McLaren, and this is a hearse that was used in the earlier days. This is a tank that was produced here in New Zealand. Um, yeah, and these are few of the old cars that were in use. This is the Model T, the famous Model T, and this is the Mazda V8. Oh, sorry, Mazda, but not. I'm not sure if it's a V8. That was a solar car. Not sure what this car is. And this is a tractor that was used by the famous Sir Edmund Hillary. And this is the pumping station that was opened in the 1800s, and it was rebuilt and reopened in 2008, as the plaque says. This is a steam engine, and this tablet shows us how virtual reality works. When we point it towards the engine, it shows us how the pistons work. That is what we were trying to demonstrate there. I'm not sure what this correctly is called, but I believe it's called the reactor, arc reactor.
Now comes all the kids playing thing, art and craft, how they're enjoying, and they have built so many interesting things for kids so that they'll not get bored because see all kids are not same, so when they see this kind of vehicles they really don't understand what's going there. So for making kids interactive also they have planned many activities. This is something related to the person in the bubble photography. It's so nice. Many people, there is a very big line for that as well. These are all the food stalls. One is coffee, one is chips, and one is sausages and the snack stall. And this is which is related to the telecommunication. So this is the public telephone booth. After many days I have seen that, and in this museum, especially in this telecommunication museum, we can see all our old type telephones, how our telecommunication worked, how our satellite communication signals were working, and everything, and even how the telecommunication is used in the traffic signals. So these are our phones which they used to be in our older days, and we everybody loved that telephone because we have to just rotate our hand and dial the number. That's how it worked. And there are many machines worked for telecommunication. It's not just one or two wires, so it's a very big network. And this is something very funny over there. We need to just stand in front of the screen and that clicks so many things. And this is what I have told you as a kind of theater, movie theater. And now comes the fire station.
So this is how an earlier fire station used to look. This is one of the earliest models of a fire truck. The next one, the Land Rover, and this is before the Land Rover. This is again a horse cart drawn, yeah, and this is one of the older models.
We just clicked the picture there.
And again, this is also, I think this is a horse cart, horse drawn, yeah. And this is a manual pump, and these are all the equipments that were used by previous firemen. Um, those include
Helmets,
helmets,
yeah. Their dress, their
protective
safety shoes,
equipments.
everything,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is the Science Museum. Shows a lot of futuristic technological developments. I think that's the best way to put it. Was interesting, and this is the tram that we traveled in. Was definitely a first for us. Now this is a horse cart. Was really a good memory refresher. And this is the village, the Motat village tour, a small 3-minute tour. So this showcased all the huts of the engineers and the people who used to maintain the important places. Yeah, like I said, this is inside one of the huts.
Village, yeah.
Yeah.
There are many
They
houses.
called it huts, but yeah, it doesn't look like a
Yeah.
hut according to what we've seen in India. Now this is the aviation museum. Cool planes that we wouldn't otherwise see normally in the real world today. To be very honest, I don't know all the names. I mean, I don't know most of the names, or not any
Yeah,
of the
but
names.
this is a collection of war fighting flights and all.
Yeah.
And even there is a picture of how our first helicopter was invented, in what model it was invented, and how it was invented.
Sorry, we could not give you the proper information.
Yeah, because there are many things to shoot and all.
Yes.
So
We hope you've liked this.